Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to associate a certain task to the start button on DJI ROMO S. If you'd like to do it, click on the settings in the top right corner, go to general settings and you'll find start button for task association. In that case, pressing the start button on the robot or on the base station to start will start the task that you associate. If the associated task is invalid for some reason, then it will do a whole house cleaning. So let's click here and you can set it to one of the tasks that you have saved, one of the shortcuts you have, or presets, however you want to call it. There is a video on how to set up presets, shortcuts, so you can watch that as well. You can select one of them and it'll be applied to the map that you select, because if you have multiple maps, like for example multiple stories that you put your robot on, then it will adjust that to the story the robot is on. So you can select that or reset to default, which will do whole house cleaning. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.